All right. This will be a short one. So in this video, you'll get some inspiration for what potential GenAI apps could look like. This is more for your inspiration, more for ideas. Feel free to go through our GenAI cloud. This is available for free access to everyone. And again, the link to access that, which is open in my browser right now, is genai.h2o.ai. That is the link. Again, once you're here, you'd have to agree to the EULA license. You can scroll to the bottom, read through it if you'd like. And once you're happy with it, agree to it, please. After that, you can start going through these apps. There's a lot of them and a lot of ideas for inspiration. So you can see Call Center GPT, you can see trial access to Enterprise H2O GPTe, which is for a test run with RAG. This is sort of our enterprise offering, but it's available for free and you're welcome to play around with it if you'd like. And once you try to check out any app, what it ends up asking you to do is a login via Google or GitHub. I'm not going to show you my email, but once you've done that, you can then launch these apps and play around with them. There's quite a few of them, so take your time going through them, take your time going through these apps. Again, these are available for free of use, free of charge, and available for your use. So please go through these. Once you've done that, I invite you all to check out Wave, which is where all of these were designed. Wave is an open source tool for designing these apps in Python, and it's designed for data scientists in mind. So there'll be a link to Wave as well in the description. So that's all for this short video. Please take your time going through the App Studio at all. Once you're happy with it, please click on the next tutorial where we learn how to fine tune these models.